If you've ever had to send money overseas, you know how tricky and expensive it can be. That's where Remitly steps in as a great solution. I've used it a few times and it's honestly been a game changer. First off, it's super easy to use. The app is intuitive, so whether you're tech savvy or not, you can get the hang of it pretty quickly. You just set up your account, pick the amount you want to send, choose the delivery method, and you're good to go. One of the things I really appreciate about Remitly is how transparent it is with fees and delivery times. You don't have to wonder how much you're actually paying or when your money will arrive. They give you all the details up front, which takes a lot of the stress out of the process. I also love that they promise on-time delivery or they'll refund your fees. That's a pretty solid guarantee, especially when you're sending money to someone who might need it urgently. Now let's talk about the different delivery options. Remitly gives you a lot of flexibility. You can send money to a bank account, a mobile wallet, or even for cash pickup, depending on where your recipient is. So if your friend or family member doesn't have access to a bank account, you can still send them money, and they can pick it up at a location nearby, like OXXO or Walmart. This really broadens the number of people who can benefit from the service. But of course, nothing's perfect. While the service is pretty reliable, one thing I didn't love was the exchange rate, which can vary. For example, you get a promotional rate when you're a new customer, but after that, it might not be as favorable. Like, that's something to keep in mind if you're sending larger amounts. Plus, some delivery options come with higher fees than others. For instance, a cash pickup could cost you a bit more compared to a bank deposit. It's not a huge deal, but definitely worth considering based on your needs. In terms of security, I've always felt safe using Remitly. They use multiple levels of protection to make sure your transfer is secure, which is a big deal when you're sending money online. And if you're in a rush, the option to send funds fast is a nice bonus. Overall, I think Remitly is a solid option if you need to send money abroad. It's fast, reliable, and offers a variety of delivery options. The only downside is the exchange rate and fees that can add up, especially if you're a repeat customer. But if you're sending smaller amounts or if you're using it for the first time, you'll probably appreciate the promotional rates and transparent pricing. It's a great choice for anyone looking for a convenient and secure way to transfer money internationally.